I'd like to introduce you to CFMOTO's X500 Farm Spec. Featuring a powerful liquid-cooled 500cc EFI engine. Key features include full wraparound protector bars, arm guards, winch and hand guards. You'll never struggle for traction with both 2- and 4-wheel drive modes, including a front diff lock. This model features 6-ply tyres and alloy wheels. Independent suspension ensures stability in any terrain. All CFMOTO vehicles come with tow package, horn, indicators and mirrors, all as standard equipment. CFMOTO's X500 Farm Spec. It's built to work.